going, it's going.
What? Really?
I don't know.
Come on, Mike. $5 for Ken. You do it for free.
I'll do it for 10.